Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, August the 10th, 2021. We have today only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper, there is also an additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus. I believe there are 8 today. Yes, 8. And half of them I will solve. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one will be 3, 2, 2, 1. 3, 2, 2, 1. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing in this big square. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes and there. Alright. Alright. Then, how about the number 7 in this row, 7 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. Then. Then. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and 4 in this column. So no 1 and the 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So now the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, here we have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. We see here 5 and 8 in this column. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. All right. One number left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. All right. Then we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. Should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 8 in the last column? The 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. The other two numbers, the last two numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Alright. Alright, so we have let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. We have a 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2 and number 9. Alright. Then. Let me see. Okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and the 8. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Then. Come on. Interesting. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. All right. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. All right. All right. 2 numbers are left in the third row. Those numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7 and 8. 6 and the 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. We see here 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square. For the number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. All right. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. And the final number of this big square, 1, 2, 3 is missing. Yes. Completed in 30 minutes. All right, faster than 15 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Yes. And it's important. Constant repetition. So daily Sudokus. Make your daily Sudokus. And you will getting better and better. Each day, yes. Maybe 1 second faster. And next day, 1 second faster, and eventually you will be faster than than the first time. All right. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. Stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus. And this time, the publisher has a surprise for you. Yes, 8 extra Sudokus. And yeah, we will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.